Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of each binomial square displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square. A minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial square, x minus 1/2 in parentheses squared, the variable x corresponds to the a in the formula, and 1/2 corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, this equals to x squared minus 2 times x multiplied by 1/2 plus 1/2 in parentheses squared. And when I simplify further, I get x squared minus 2 and 2 cancel out, x plus 1/4. Next, 1 over 4 minus y in parentheses squared. When I apply the formula, this equals to 1/4 in parentheses squared minus 2 times 1/4 multiplied by y plus y squared. And when I calculate the exponent, I get 1 over 16 minus 2 and 4 can be reduced to 1/2 y plus y squared. Next exercise, a minus 3/8 in parentheses squared. When I apply the formula, this equals to a squared minus 2 times a multiplied by 3 over 8 plus 3/8 in parentheses squared. And when I calculate this further, this equals to, I can reduce this, minus 3/4 a plus 9 over 64. 1/10 minus b in parentheses square. This equals to 1/10 in parentheses squared minus 2 times 1/10 multiplied by b plus b squared. And when I calculate the exponent, I get 1 over 100 minus, I reduce this fraction and I get 1/5 b plus b squared. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.